Good morning, children. Today we are going to see in English lesson number 2, listen to your body. What your body needs, respect it. Begin by thinking about and speaking to your body with love and respect. Connect body and mind. Pay attention to your bodies when they are telling us something we need to know to mark. Okay, can we look and say this? What our body and mind tells us? Now look at the picture, children. Can you see the wall there? In the wall, there's two tie and a belt. What is the color of the belt? Violet belt. Color of the tie? There are two ties. One is mentioned red tie. Yes. Can you see the girl? What she's having in her hand? Handkerchief. Yes. What is the color of the handkerchief? Blue. What is the color of the skirt? What she is wearing? Red skirt. Yes, you can see here. She is wearing green sari, and the man is wearing black coat. Yeah. Next, can you see a boy there? Yes, he is wearing yellow shirt, blue shorts. Yes. Can you see the hat there? It is orange hat. There is a cap on the table. It's yellow. What is the color of the tablecloth? Purple tablecloth. Next, you can see grandpa and grandma and a little girl. Grandpa is wearing brown sweater and white topi. The little girl is wearing gray socks, pink frock. Okay, children, let us move on to the lesson. Nina wonders. Today I am not going to school. It's a holiday and it is too hot. I am not going to play. What shall I do? Said Nina. Nina, 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 called Nitin. I called it thrice. Why didn't you answer me? Sorry, Nitin, I didn't hear you. Okay, let's play a game. Name of the game is Listen to Your Body. Really? How do we play that game? Sit down and do what I do. Come on, Nina. Breathe in and out. Can you hear your breath, Nina? Yes, said Nina. Even we can make breathe louder, said Nina and Nitin. Okay, Nina, let us place our hand on our chest. Do you hear anything? Asked Nitin. Yes. Laptop, laptop. Someone is playing a drum. Yes, Nina, that's your heart. It beats all time, all days, and all nights. Okay, Nina, let us clap our hands. Now I can make a song with my hands, said Nitin. Even I can stand up and stamp my feet, said Nina. I can make one with my feet. Tipty, tapty, toe, stamp, stamp, stamp. Okay, next Nitin places his hand on his tummy, and so does Nina. Nitin, I can hear in my tummy. Gudu, gudu, gudu. Yes, so you are hungry now. Okay, come on, let's go to the kitchen. I think food is ready. How do you know? Asked Nina. My nose says so, said Nitin. Okay, one for me, said Nina. Hey, you both, what are you doing in the kitchen? Asked father. We hear the cooker sound, father. By seeing the jamuns, Nitin said, wow, see Nina, jamuns are so sweet and good. No more jamuns before lunch. You both can leave this place now, said father. See, children, how sensitive our organs by thinking and speaking. So, love and respect our body. Thank you, children.